So the first thing, before we go into any of like the segments that I have for the show, I just want you to kind of introduce yourself a little bit more. Okay? So give me like an abridged life story of Alix Traeger for those who may not know it already.
It's so hard to abridge my life story.
I know.
But I'll try. So I am Alix. I am from the Bay. I'm literally starting from the... I'm already not abridging this.
That's fine.
I was born at 8:03 a.m. No, I mean, Matthew and I used to be co-workers at Tasty. We were both producers, so we did the same job.
Yeah.
I have just always loved cooking, and I've always loved food. You already know this life story well. But,
that's fine.
I've always just loved to cook. It was just always like kind of like a hobby of mine. I never really anticipated going into
A professional,
yeah. I studied science in college in Los Angeles. I kind of thought I was going to go into like nursing or something like that. And while I was in college, I just started a food blog for fun, and I was doing that. And then literally like 2 weeks before I graduated, I was like, I don't want to do this. Like, I want to be in food, and I want to cook. My parents loved that. No, but they were like, you know, it's just like, whoa, like you just studied this whole...
What are you doing?
thing. What are you doing? But I've also always loved to travel my whole life. So once I graduated, because I did graduate, but I decided to move to Sweden. I moved there as an au pair, but then I quickly started working as a food stylist there, and that was really awesome. That's when I started to actually think of it like a possible career.
Yeah.
After, like exactly a year after having moved to Sweden, I got the job at Tasty as an intern. I like did all my interviews through Skype. I was very surprised to have gotten the position, but I moved immediately back like within a week, and I started working, and literally have not stopped since. So it's been 3 years now, and I don't know, I still like pinch myself that this is all happened, and I don't know, it's all kind of weird and crazy, but
crazy journey.
It all kind of fell into place. So I'm just kind of going with the flow and
it's
riding the wave.
Yeah, and it's working really well for you. I mean, obviously, like, so we did work together.
Yeah.
You're incredible at what you do.
Oh,
and
too.
of course, everyone who, well, thank you. Everyone who like has seen you on Tasty, everyone knows that about you. But like some things like I loved about you is, you know, so you were like a fellow when I was an intern, so you were like my mentor.
Yeah.
And so I learned a lot from you.
Yeah.
And you were like, you were there for me when like I was like, I don't know what I'm doing.
For sure.
And so like it was really great to like, and not only because like as I was learning and growing, like seeing you grow and evolve and change was really exciting, and now we're like grizzled old like heads.
I know. And that's so funny though, because like you came in and I was like teaching you the Tasty way, but like, you know, you had this fancy, you know, culinary degree, and I'm like, you know, the one on Tasty who just kind of like wings everything, I guess.
Yeah.
Like, but again, that's what I always say is so great about, you know, our team was that like we had so many,
a mix.
It's like a puzzle piece, you know, that all kind of fit together. And I've learned so much from you, and you know, maybe I've taught him a thing or two.
You know, well,
probably not, but
no, from you I've learned a lot of things. I've learned to like live in the moment, just like accept life, go with the flow, and the way when you shoot videos is very beautiful, and it flows really well, and that's taught me a lot about video creation.
Yeah, and that's like crazy though, because I like came into it with neither a culinary degree or a film degree, whereas most people on the team have one or the other.
Yeah.
And so it was a lot about like just figuring it out and trusting that I could do it, because I believed I could, and I convinced them that I could, and that's how I got the job, and I did. And I think like if I had not trusted in myself in that way, like I wouldn't be where I am today. And like I kind of just knew, it was like, just tell me what buttons to push and I'll do it. And like someone who's gone to film school is probably like rolling in their grave. It's not just a button, but like sometimes it is just a button, and sometimes it is just like a leap of faith.
In the end though, it matters that you worked really hard and you did the job well, and that's what people will remember you for. So never count yourself short.
No, I try not to, but you know, I am a short girl.
Thank you for watching. I'm Matthew Francis, and I'll see you soon. Real soon if you click one of the links, because there's more to watch. Okay, that's it. Bye.